is giving its Indian customers a chance to buy the Nothing Phone 3 before its official release. The company will hold a special drop event on July 12th at UB City in Bengaluru. The event starts at 7 p.m. IST and entry will be on first come first service basis. At the event, customers will be able to purchase Phone 3 ahead of its global sale. The first 100 buyers will receive the free Nothing Headphone 1, which is priced at 21,999 rupees. Attendees will be able to try out the Phone 3 and Headphones 1 at the venue. The Phone 3, as you know, is powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 and runs Nothing OS 3.5. It features a 50 megapixel triple rear camera and 50 megapixel front camera. The phone has 5500 mAh battery, supports 65-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging. It is rated IP68 for dust and water resistance. The event will include music, lighting, and challenges where participants can win more units of Headphone 1 and other merchandise. Complimentary refreshment and barista-style coffee is also available. The Nothing Phone 3 is retailing at a ridiculous price of 80,000 rupees for the 12 to 56 GB and 16 512 GB cost rupees 90,000, which bank offers and exchange offers. The starting price drops to 62,999. But stay away from this phone.